Hi friend, this is Peter Bain, co-founder of ForexMentor.com. Welcome to this introductory video talking all about Forex trading, and more specifically I want to talk about what I call oops trades. Oops, price going the wrong way. Of course, I'm talking about Steve Nissen and his candle patterns. This information is courtesy Steve. You can see in this diagram how a candle line is constructed. I'll just leave this on the screen long enough for you to study it, and then we'll progress. Now Steve talks about a lot of candle patterns. I focus on three, which I'm going to talk about today. My three favorite that are constant money makers. And the more black and white a candle pattern is, the more effective it is. What I mean by that is when a hammer looks like a hammer, then it will be more effective as a reversal formation. This is what a hammer looks like, a hammer candle formation. Price goes down, the hammer forms, and then price reverses. Let's have a look at a practical example of a hammer. Here on this currency pair, the USD CAD pair, we have a quasi hammer right here at the New York Open. I say quasi hammer, actually back-to-back hammers, quasi hammers. They're quasi in that they have shadows or wicks on top of the hammer formation. I prefer to see hammers that just have the shadows or wicks at the bottom of the formation. But anyway, you can see how powerful hammers can be as a reversal predictor. Here's another example. A hammer right here. Price cycles lower, the hammer forms, and then price reverses. Here we have an inverted hammer, or shooting star as Steve would call it. There's the body, the shadow or wick on the top. Price rises, the inverted hammer forms, or shooting star, and then price declines. Here's an example right here, a very good example. Price rises into the London Open at 3 a.m. Eastern Time for the USD CAD pair. We have a Tom DeMark trendline break confirmed by MACD punching down through his trigger line, but you can see how effective this inverted hammer is right here. Caused a price reversal. So far we've talked about regular hammers and inverted hammers. Here's another example of an inverted hammer or shooting star, a rather elongated version. Price rises, the inverted hammer forms at a resistance level, and then price collapses. Also a 1, 2, 3 top here. There's an inverted hammer there. A quasi-inverted hammer or shooting star. Price rises, we get the formation, and then price tapers off on the AUD-USD pair. Let's talk about railway tracks now, or tweezers as they're called in candle land. What happens is price declines, open on this candle, close on this candle, open on the next candle over here, close up here. It's called an oops trade. Oops, price going the wrong way. Traders have a sell on the pair, and then they put a bid on the pair. This is called an oops trade, just like the hammer and inverted hammers. Let's have a look-see here. This is actually a futures chart for the USD CAD daily. And you can see railway tracks right here are tweezers. Price cycling lower, open, close, oops, price going the wrong way. Traders had a sell on the USD CAD pair, then they put a bid on it. Price took off. Whoops, price going the wrong way. Now here's an example of shades of gray. Here we have a shades of gray set of railway tracks or tweezers. By that I mean the rightmost candle is longer than the leftmost candle. Still a quasi set of railway tracks or tweezers, but I like to see both candles pretty much the same the same length. This candle here on the right would also qualify as an engulfing candle. I think Steve would call it an engulfing candle as well. Now let's take a look at the exact reverse situation where price is rising. On this candle, price opens, closes here, opens over here, and closes here on the second candle. Whoops, price going the wrong way. Traders have a bid on the pair. Whoops, then they put a sell on the pair. Whoops, price going the wrong way. So far we've talked about hammers and railway tracks or tweezers. This is what a spinning top looks like. Very much like the spinning top that you used to play with as a child. Here's an example of railway tracks going the opposite way. Price rises, open, close, open, close. Oops, price going the wrong way. Traders had a bid on this pair and then they put a sell on it. Whoops, price going the wrong way. Actually what happened here, price rose to the 200 EMA. That was the direction. Price going the wrong way. The dumb money had a bid on this pair and then discovered that they were going in the wrong direction and then put a sell on it. Oops, price going the wrong way. This is railway tracks going the other way. Black and white railway tracks. By that I mean these two candles are about the same length, and that's exactly how I like railway tracks to look. Again, the spinning top, let's get into that right now. Look at all these spinning tops here. We have price rising on the Aussie CAD pair on this particular day. We have a series of spinning tops here towards the end of the advance in price. Tom DeMark trendline break right here, confirmed by MACD punching down through its trigger line. This price reversal presaged by these spinning tops in here. A whole series of spinning tops denoting that we were going to have a change in price direction. So I think you can see by now that hammers, railway tracks, and spinning tops are very powerful as predictors of a change in price direction. Here's a spinning top over here. Price declines, spinning top, followed by another quasi-spinning top, and price reverses. Here's a nice spinning top right here. Price rises, spinning top forms, and then price declines. Quasi-hammer right there. Inverted hammer right there. There's a nice spinning top right there. Price declines, the spinning top forms, and then price reverses. At the Singapore swing, which would be around 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Market opens and closes are good times to pay attention to market swings. And this market swing actually was facilitated by a spinning top right here at the Singapore Open on this particular day for the USD JPY pair. Alright, thank you friend for hanging with me during this short video on the three candle patterns that I like the most, the three that signal that we're going to have a reversal in price direction. There are just tons of candle patterns out there that you can study, but I've decided to focus on three because they're very good predictors of changes in price direction. Here's to your success as a Forex trader. Now, I've only spent a few minutes with you today talking about candles in this case. I have a course, the Big Dogs course, very comprehensive, lots of reading material, CDs, DVDs, over 19 hours of information on trading the Forex. In this course, I expose the secrets of the big dogs. Make note of this link at the bottom of your screen. Type it into your browser and check it out. We're offering a special discount to you, and we thank you for your attendance to this video. Friend, have a great day. We'll see you next time, and bye for now.